Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use SambaNova hosted models for free inside GitHub Copilot and perform data analysis at the fastest speed using SambaNova models. Step 1. Install the latest extension from the Hugging Face provider for GitHub Copilot chat. Step 2. Open GitHub Copilot chat, click on Manage Models and you'll see Hugging Face listed as a provider. Step 3. Paste your Hugging Face access token, which you can easily find under your profile section. Step 4. Search for SambaNova in the model list and boom, you see all SambaNova hosted open source models. Just pick the one you want to use. Now I'm going to run a quick test on the newly added SambaNova hosted models using the Hugging Face extension. I'll be doing data analysis on the global Superstore dataset right inside my Jupyter notebook. Let's see the results in action. Step 5. Load the global Superstore dataset in Jupyter notebook. Press Ctrl+I to open GitHub Copilot chat, pick your SambaNova model and ask natural language questions to analyze data. That's it, see the magic in seconds.
And that's the power of SambaNova. Now GitHub Copilot is supercharged with SambaNova's hosted models, running on purpose-built RDU AI chips for unmatched speed and performance. Thank you so much for watching this video.